All right, everyone. Litecoin time, guys. Litecoin BTC has started to show some kind of crazy, interesting patterns in the charts, which have not happened in a very long time. So, guys, these are the areas of minimum risks and exponential returns, to be honest with you. And this one happening on the BTC pair is going to be certainly interesting for Litecoin. So, guys, this month, the next month is most likely going to be LTC season. These things they do keep on happening. These things they come in waves and they go as well. So guys, look, new wave for Litecoin is most likely starting in the market. I've been talking about Litecoin for a very long time as to this entire range of 200 $200 per LTC, and on the BTC pair, the 300,000 Satoshi levels on BTC pair are your immense, like crazy generational opportunities for LTC as well. So, guys, before we jump onto the TA, check this one out. Every video right here, starting from TRX, guys, Tron, Solana, Matic, Tezos, Travala, OMG, Synthetics, EOS, Zcash, guys, everything has been on a rip. So, you want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, guys. This is pretty much time sensitive information right here. I'm sitting here giving away my edge as a trader for free to you guys. So, best you can do is at least share and subscribe, guys. Let's jump on to the first thing that I'll show you guys. This is just my Twitter account right here, and I had started posting this little screenshot right here about LTC, why this entire range could have been a long-term bottom, guys. I'll be talking about this in the price action charts as well on the BTC pair. And guys, look, couple of hours later, PayPal actually confirmed this one, guys. Litecoin Foundation tweeting this: PayPal is going to allow users to pay in Litecoin, right? So there is incentivization in the space for Litecoin holders to actually start doing with something with their Litecoin. And most likely, most of the DeFi space will also be taking some wrapped Litecoin or something like that, and probably earn some yields into that as well. So guys, the spark has started, right? And when it turns into fire, it'll burn everything. Most likely it'll do that. Litecoin does that. If history has to repeat, it'll repeat again, and it'll probably, the price action in Litecoin BTC will be crazy. So guys, next piece of analysis we have right here is the daily active addresses, guys. Look at this area right here. This was entire bear market accumulation. So now if you look at this in one single go right here, this is quite confusing, to be honest with you. But guys, look, the prices can be suppressed below this trending line, which is of all the active addresses. But what happens in the bull run is that the price will start catching up to the active addresses, and that will be exponentially higher than where we are at currently. Just to get a little perspective from this entire area of 2017 December, we have started picking up, guys. This shows that lot of new people have started holding or maybe investing and trading Litecoin as well. So guys, the interest is certainly there. Prices can be suppressed, but it's just a fucking matter of time, to be honest with you. But guys, check this one out. The total daily active addresses are also in an uptrend, guys. They are simply in an uptrend. Now, similarly, this line could suppress the price action beneath itself. But what happens, just to get into context, we do test these areas, we do go exponentially above the active addresses. The price action does that, guys. So look, we are here, we could be going above that, and that could mean some significant piece of price action on Litecoin. So guys, without any further ado, the first chart is LTC BTC. Now here comes your areas of relevance, as I was talking about from that previous tweet, and here comes my Litecoin alert at this level as well. So guys, what am I waiting for? Well, actually I've been accumulating LTC all throughout this down move, guys. All throughout the down, I've been shifting my bitcoins into LTC in small chunks all throughout this downturn. So even if it goes towards the upside from here, I would not be really missing out on a lot of opportunities, to be honest with you. But this one single line is your key area of interest, guys. Now you do start taking this line to the upside, this diagonal trending resistance line to the upside on a 3-day closing and an opening basis, guys. Look, this is something which Litecoins like to do again and again, guys. Check this one out. You grinded for a very long time, but you broke above this one, and there was no stopping for a 400 to 500% move towards the upside, guys. Similarly, right here, guys, huge grind breaking to the upside with a 500 move to the upside, guys. Simply testing these exit areas on top, guys. Look, this chart is from Poloniex, as Poloniex is actually the dinosaur of cryptocurrency industry. They have been allowing users to trade crypto assets when it was not even cool, guys, when there was nobody in the space, to be honest with you. So that's why most of the historical price action can be derived from Poloniex. And guys, check this one out. Where are we right now? We are simply, and even if you just zoom into some little small pieces of price action as to referring as to what Litecoin really does in the market and how the price action behaves, another grind breaking to the upside with some crazy move to the upside. Now guys, this was in the middle of bear market, that's why it was not this much. Why are things different right now? It's because things have started changing. We are getting into extremely bullish and exuberant environments with BTC around 60k, guys, and dominance is slipping down. So, which means Litecoin gets to party pretty soon, right? Pretty soon. So, this is what you want to be looking at when you start closing your candles basically above 420, 100,000 Satoshis on an opening and closing basis, guys. This could probably shoot towards the upside. Now, the next video will be coming up on XRP. Yeah, you got it right. XRP, guys. Going above $1 again, poised for a retest of all-time highs. XRP doing some things as well. So guys, this video is about Litecoin. I'll be coming up with XRP video pretty soon, but you know the drill right here. You go above this price point, you'll probably not stop. And guys, just to bring about some perspective, now this 200 simple moving average would be quite irrelevant standing here right now, but if you do test this one, you want to be closing some candles above this price point right here, and this will enable your price action on LTC BTC to sustain at some key levels, specifically above these highs right here. And if you start trading above these price points right here, guys, it's simply gonna start picking up to the upside, and your potential areas of retest will be these areas are your massive liquidity exiting the LTC BTC space. And guys, look, last time when the Litecoin season started, it started around March of 2017, right, guys? They started the March of that. You get the point right here, right? 4-year long cycle aligning with BTC halving cycles as well. A lot of things aligning with this bottom right here, guys. This is crazy. This is like I mean, if you don't have Litecoin right now, what the hell are you doing? Look. I do not want to bring about any kind of FOMO or any kind of well, to be honest with you, bad mental thoughts into your head, guys. FOMO is certainly not going to help you in the long run, but these are the areas of minimum risks and highest reward opportunity. So Litecoin looking pretty clear here, right? Now you start doing something like that, you get accumulated above the 200 simple moving average, the price will start curling with the moving average doing something like that, and it will formulate some sort of base right here and eventually head towards the upside. Now guys, this is what I was talking about. Now this entire bull cycle started around the first week of March and topped around the second week of May. So guys, this one was for 2 months. If you are starting this one right now, May to June, the first week of June could be looking at some, like, we could be looking at some potential crazy targets on LTC BTC pair towards the upside pretty soon. This is what I'm trying to say right here, guys. Now in the small time frames, let's jump on the daily for that matter, guys. We are in today's candle, we are wanting to clear the 55 simple moving average. Now guys, this is not any hurdle. 55 is not any hurdle. The 200 daily although is your major hurdle, guys. 200 daily price starts to close above this price point right here. Price starts to trend above the 200 daily moving average on LTC BTC pair, guys. Tables will start turning, and it'll probably pick up guys. Yet again, your first target, this one right here. Second target, this one right here, against the BTC pair, which is already at 60k, guys. We could be potentially looking at $1,000 LTC pretty soon, guys. First target would be 100% move towards the upside, all the way at 800,000 Satoshis, standing from current price point, and your ultimate target lying all the way somewhere near 2 million Satoshis at a 380% move towards the upside, guys. A 4x piece of price action from these price points. Now this is what we are looking at in the coming weeks as well. So guys, next chart we have LTC USD. Now this is a fancy looking chart, right? I really do like to paint my Fibonacci channels like this just to make them a little interesting, to be honest with you. So guys, this is what I wanted to talk about. Check these key areas of inflection. Basically check this one out, guys. I do believe this is the deep retracement from this entire channel. This is the 618, guys. This line right here is 618 in a diagonal fashion. That's all, right? So you had some crazy point of contact right here, you got rejected, you capitulated below this price point right here, you got bursted to the moon from these and you capitulated below these price points, and then you were hoping for a support right here, guys. Look, we are here back again. we are here back again. So there are so many freaking things pointing out towards one single fact, that Litecoin is gonna fucking moon. This could be really serious opportunity cost, guys. This could be serious opportunities on LTC, as a lot of people have been accumulating all throughout these ranges, and this looks to me like a bull flag, a bull pennant in these higher levels between the squeezy zones happening from $250 regions all the way down at $164 regions, guys. Every single time it is getting picked up from this diagonal trending line right here, which is the 886 in this entire Fibonacci channel right here. Now, what is going to be your potential stop if you go to the upside? This is going to be the 382 extension. If we put this entire piece of price action in a diagonal extension right here, guys, this could be basically aligning with your $700 to $800 LTC, which is obviously going to be above the previous all-time high. But you'll be having some turbulence, some profit taking happening at the all-time highs, which is obvious, guys. Which is obvious. A lot of profits were being taken on the $20,000 levels on BTC as well, but we went 2x above those price points once we left those levels. So guys, 2x above your LTC's all-time high is going to be aligning with the $700 to $800 LTC. Now this is what we are going to be looking at in the coming month, guys. March has quite ended, but April to May, both these months could be looking extremely strong for LTC, guys. It's about time. It's about time. It's about time. I'm not going to be jumping onto the extreme small time frames just to get fucked up in the short-term bias. As guys, the short-term price action is just a simple walk in the park. In the bigger picture, guys, we are squeezing in a historical resistance. Once we blow past it, guys, you know the drill. What is going to happen, right? All right. Not a moon boy video, not a financial advice. Like always, you do your own due diligence, you take your own risks, and you allocate your capital, your hard-earned money, according to what you feel comfortable about, guys. No need to jump on with your entire savings to fucking Litecoin, because look, anything has a point of failure. If it goes down, it'll probably come back to the channel, but if it rejects the channel to the downside, guys, we could be looking at some further bleed in the Litecoin price action coming in all the way towards the $100 LTC. But look, I just think it's not gonna happen, guys. From speaking from experience, why do I bring this up again and again? Speaking from experience and how these markets, they actually behave, guys. Look, this looks to me like this is right there at the breakout moment, guys. It's just about to happen on the LTC USD pair as well. So guys, last chart, we have Litecoin against Ethereum. So now there was a time once when it was actually 0.5 Ethereum per LTC, got listed for 5 Ethereum per LTC. Now obviously we're not going to be testing these levels, guys. This is not fucking Uniswap or SushiSwap or something like that, which constantly keeps on going to the upside. But guys, what we could be looking at is a possible retest of this trend line right here at the 0.1 levels per Ethereum, guys. Look, now this, sorry, per Litecoin, right? Now this could be 50% move to the upside. Now the maniac phase for Litecoin will actually start taking place once we clear this diagonal resistance line right here on Ethereum, right? On Litecoin against Ethereum. This is why it's quite important to have a look at this chart as well, guys. This is pretty naked charting. And guys, look, I will most likely go full on bull chart above these price points on LTC ETH, guys. I do have my alert set. Guys, I remember I set this alert in front of you when I was making my Litecoin video, guys. There was a pretty comprehensive analysis which was 2 months ago. Which is really 2 months ago. And I had set this alert on that video. I remember that. It's still over there. This level is quite significant, guys, as this one, the price action broke below the listing price, guys. The previous all-time lows, it did break below that, right? Now this is why you would really want to gain this one, to gain some strength against Ethereum as well. And then if we are resolving this entire grind to the upside, guys, look, your targets are going to be this, as crazy as it sounds. Your technical targets are going to be this against Ethereum, which could be aligning with $1,000 LTC in the coming weeks and the months as well, guys. So a lot of crazy things can happen. A lot of crazy, like I keep on rambling about the fact that everything in this crypto space will get its chance. Everything most likely will moon. Will fucking moon. This is simple capital rotation. When BTC goes sideways for a very long time, capital gets bored. They want to earn some yields out of here and there. So guys, look, this is your perfect fucking candidate right here in front of your eyes, guys. So have a close attention on Litecoin. And I guess this is a good point to turn this video to shut this video down. Actually, guys, I am actually not doing good with my words today. I did get good sleep yesterday, but it looks to me like, well, maybe I need some more sleep, or maybe I need to cut down from my black coffee consumption, guys. I consume crazy amount of black coffee every single day, guys. I really just like, maybe it's my cocaine, but I really love the taste of it, and I do have a very specific taste in black coffees as well. I do not go for some cheap coffees, black coffees, or like that. I do not want to be sound like an elitist or something like that, but guys, if you are consuming black coffee, taste really matters. Now, this video was supposed to be about Litecoin, right? That's why I'm going to be shutting down this video right here. I will catch you guys pretty soon, and I hope you all are positioned in Litecoin as well. Bye for now.